Hello, beautiful angels. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all your support. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So my channel is all about beauty, lifestyle, do-it-yourselves, anything positive. So that's what you're going to find on my channel. So stay tuned if that's what you're here for. So before we do get in today's video, which is exciting, you know I love DIYs. My message to you is always that you're beautiful. So when you wake up every morning, I know it's tough. We have those days, but every day I want you to wake up and tell yourself that you're beautiful. Don't wait for anybody to tell you that. I'm telling you that today you are beautiful, and have a wonderful and amazing day. And let's get into today's video. So this DIY is an ancient one. My grandma, used to always make me do this if I wanted to look brighter and glowing. A lot of brides do it before their weddings. Just whenever you want to, lift up your skin. And not only that, a few of my cousins and stuff used to have like bad acne. So it's really helped them with these kind of problems. As you can see, I have hyperpigmentation, but all the skincare products I've been using have been really helping out. But I mean, none other than the best thing is to find in your kitchen, right? So a lot of times all these great ingredients are in our kitchen, and believe it or not, if you look on all these high quality brand name skincare lines, they're using a lot of the ingredients that are in the kitchen or that are in your garden. So yeah, why not use the natural products, I say. All right, so today's DIY is a coffee scrub that is just amazing. Just 4 ingredients, believe it or not, 4 ingredients that I'm pretty sure you'd probably find in your kitchen. And that is coffee. Any coffee. I'm just gonna grab my ingredients if I'm looking this way. Excuse my little sort of hair tie, but this is done by my mom, and she does this all the time when she puts henna in her hair. For my Indian followers, you know what I'm talking about. And she just creates this little sort of scarf to tie around to wrap and keep everything all nice and tidy in there, because henna can get pretty messy. So yeah, like I have famous Tim Hortons coffee. So you're just gonna take, depending on, obviously the size of your face, what you want to take, a teaspoon, half a teaspoon, a little bit more than a teaspoon, and just put it in a bowl. The next ingredient is yogurt, any plain yogurt. This is the one I use. Again, any plain yogurt. And you want to use a teaspoon of that, and some honey. I don't have the label on this one. I can't remember which one it is, but any just raw honey. It doesn't have to be expensive. And lastly, the most famous Indian ingredient, which is so good for your face, for health, drinking it and everything, is turmeric. So I got some turmeric here. And we're gonna put a little pinch of that in there, because be careful, you don't want to put too much turmeric, because it has this yellow color that can stain a little bit, but that really brings out the glow. So what do all these ingredients do? Like I mentioned, coffee, it stimulates the blood flow, helps with acne, helps with hyperpigmentation, and then the yogurt is moisturizing, so it keeps our skin very smooth, glowing. And the honey is great for the glow as well. It removes dirt. It attracts the oil and removes that dirt and oil from your face, and it brightens it. And the turmeric, of course, anti-aging, and the turmeric helps it glow as well on your face. So we're gonna mix all these ingredients here, and I'm gonna show you the concussion I have. So I'm gonna mix them all together, and I'll be back in a moment. All right, so I'm back. I mixed all that together, and like I said, I'll leave in the description box how much of what I use. Once again, before you try this, test patch it. I'm not an expert. This is just what works for my skin, and has worked for many generations in my families and others. So I'm just sharing if you want to get that glow, and hopefully it works for you. So this is what it looks like, if you guys can see it. And I just take I use this for my skincare face masks. So I just take some of this, and then I just pack it on, and you leave it on for 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna pack it on my face, and it feels so cool. I like to actually leave it for about about 15 minutes on my face. So, because the coffee just really stimulates, you know, the blood flow. Plus, I love the effect of the yogurt and the moisturizing feel. So just get it in all around your face right here. Let me know if you've tried something like this in the comments below. And let me know if you've enjoyed this video, or if you enjoy these kind of videos. I can definitely show you more of these homemade do-it-yourself wonders, is what I say, you know. And it doesn't cost you a lot of money, right? So I know sometimes some of those brands, skincare brands, can get expensive out there. All right. So you want to be careful because, like I said, the turmeric is kind of, it stains. So be careful, wear some old clothing. That's why I don't wear white. That's for sure, because it ain't gonna come off easily. And I take it under my eye, not too close, but close enough, just to give that nice glow under my eyes. And you can take it onto your neck as well, down your neck, just like any other face pack. It feels so cool right now. I can't even explain to you. Oh, wow. Self-care is so important, guys. So, so important. If you don't do it, please just, you know what? Please, please, just do it. It lifts your spirits too. I don't know, I find it. Let me know in the comments below if you feel the same way. I feel amazing if I've taken care of myself, whatever it may be. If I've gotten that rest, if I've done my, you know, masks, whatever it may be. So I hope you guys can see I've really packed it on here. Just trying to get it in there on your nose. Like I said, you can take it down to your neck as far as you want. Okay, so I'm gonna come back in 10 minutes. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like here, and I'll show you in about 10 minutes when it dries up a little bit. And like I said, always do a little test patch. You know, you don't want any irritations. Make sure all these ingredients are okay with your skin. And I really hope it works. But yeah, so I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna come back in 10 minutes and I'll show you what it looks like when it's a little bit dried up. All right, so it's been about 15 minutes. Like I said, 10 to 15 minutes, whatever feels comfortable. You guys can see, like it's pretty much, it's a little bit wet right here, but it's pretty much dried up and you'll feel it tightening on your face. This is very amazing, like I said, for anti-aging, acne, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, just to give yourself that glow, fresh look if you have an event. So I'm gonna go wash it off and I will come back and I will show you guys the results. I'll be back. All right, so here is the end result. Like, can you guys tell? Like, I can't even believe how glowy my skin looks. Please comment below if you see a difference. I see it, I feel it, and like I said, the yogurt is so moisturizing, and the honey, look at around my mouth, it's so much brighter, even under my eyes, and this is just amazing. How long did it take? 15 minutes. Ingredients in your kitchen. I love this mask, and I love my grandma. If she was here, I'd give her a big hug still. But yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below. Let me know, you know, what you think. And as usual, I love you guys and thank you so much for your support. And make sure you hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on the next video. And beautiful angels, have a wonderful day and bye for now.